specific place, often a stage. So, when we say theater, kasi siya kay kanang i-present siya on stage with the live performers. So, theater acting. Stage acting or theater acting is a style of performance in which a performer tries their craft on a stage in a front of a live audience. In a play, musical, or opera, stage acting is typically one of the first acting styles body actor will study, but it's one of the hardest to master. So, when you say theater acting, daghan sila mga types of acting. Sorry. Live performance. So, the first one is, di ba sa mga so, i-una na ako. So, ang first kay katong musical play, pwede ko siya as theater acting. Like, when it comes to musical play, dili na siya i-kanta ko, pero i-act ko siya. So, the second one is the opera or singing opera. So, let's proceed to the key aspects of theater acting. So, the first one is the projection and vision. Pangalawa is physical and movement. Pangatlo, stage presence and energy. Character development. And the last one is the live performance skills. So let's proceed to the first one, which is the projection and in a theater acting, actors need to project their voices to ensure their nerves learning throughout the auditorium, often without microphones. Clear dictioning, strong vocal techniques are essential. So when it comes to theater acting, kinahanglan dyan na ang voice nimo ay matungog without using microphones. So, kinahanglan dyan, pag istorya dapat na matungog dyan sa audience. So, pangalawa ay physical and theater often calls for expressive body language. Actors need to use their whole body to convey emotions and intentions, as gestures and movements can be more noticeable to distant audience members. So, in physical and movement, naano na yung gestures and movements. So, kapag mo-act na ka sa in stage or on stage, dapat kung i-deliver na mo ang iyong mga lines, kaya dapat na ay mga movements, gestures, then dapat ma-apply mo na siya sa mga audience nito. Like, dapat madama, ma-feel po sa audience ang inyong i-express. So, the third one is the stage presence and energy. Keeping up high energy is crucial in theater, as live performances rely on the actor's ability to keep the audience engaged through the entire play. So, when we say stage presence and energy, dapat i-acting nyo kay comedy, dapat ang energy nyo kay 100% like comedy ang inyong theater act, dapat ang mga lines po ninyo kay may energy, may stage presence, dapat makatawag ang mga Emotional authenticity, stay connected to your scene partner, reacting genuinely to what they say and do. Acting is about reacting and staying present. So, sa emotional, dapat kung hingon ako ganina, dapat makik-eye contact ka sa co-actress or co-actor mo if kintahay ang acting niyo is about love, romance, na ma-future nila ang emotion. So, confidence. So, dapat, as an actor or actress, not to take confidence when it comes to acting. Kaya ikaw may biglaan na, like performance din na. So, it allows actors to perform fully stay focused and connected with their character, their scene, partners in the So, the importance of various skills for theater acting lies in how they enable an actor to deliver a powerful engaging performance when connecting with the audience and collaborating with other members of the production team. Each skill plays a crucial role in ensuring that the story is told effectively if that the audience has impressive experience. So, important dito sa theater acting na prepare jud ka, prepare tanan, yung ang costume, ang lighting sa stage, tanang jud. So, this is the example of theater acting.
This is my school! You are here because I've given you an opportunity. Why is it your school? Why am I losing the wrong? Why do I have to listen to you when you come here and say? Because I'm young? All my life I've been young, so I never get turned. This school is lost, you ask me, you're lost. Everybody talks to me like I'm the one. You know, I should change. Why should I change? I've never even got to find out who I am. You want me to change? That's crazy. You tell me I'm bad before I even get to be anything. What the hell is that? Original sin or something? I read Plato, Arnold, and Punk Bench. Think of Bronze. Let me tell you something. Plato, he wasn't afraid. Diogenes, he wasn't afraid. Socrates, he wasn't afraid of anything. They were men. Why are you the headmaster, not the student? Understand? I have earned your respect that you up there.